Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope fine. So today in this video I am going to deal with winners of Nobel Prize from India. And this is important for your general knowledge. So people kindly focus upon these important Nobel Prize winners. ठीक है. First of all, you people should know that Nobel Prize, that this is the most prestigious award in the world, right? It is given in the field of peace, literature, physics, chemistry, physiology, or medicine and economics, etc. Right? So today we will be dealing with some of the winners of Nobel Prize from India. So first, let us get started. First, Rabindranath Tagore. He got Nobel Prize in the year 1913. आपसे कभी भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा आता है कि रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर को किस फील्ड में नोबेल प्राइज मिला, तो आंसर क्या होगा? लिटरेचर की फील्ड में. अब भाई कौन से ईयर में मिला? इन द ईयर 1913. ठीक है, 1913 में इन्हें लिटरेचर के फील्ड में नोबेल प्राइज मिला. किन्हें? रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर को. Now, second Nobel Prize winner from India is C.V. Raman. इन्हें कौन से फील्ड में नोबेल प्राइज मिला? इन द फील्ड ऑफ फिजिक्स. फिजिक्स के फील्ड में इन्हें नोबेल प्राइज मिला. कौन से ईयर में? इन द ईयर 1930. See, he got Nobel Prize for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him. Got it? Now, third Nobel Prize मिला था इंडिया से हरगोविंद खुराना को. कौन से फील्ड से? फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ मेडिसिन. कौन से ईयर में? इन द ईयर 1968. ठीक है, फॉर देयर इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ द जेनेटिक कोड एंड इट्स फंक्शंस इन प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. किनको मिला नोबेल प्राइज इन द ईयर 1968 फ्रॉम इंडिया? हरगोविंद खुराना. इन फ्रॉम विच, कि कौन सी फील्ड पे? इन द फील्ड ऑफ मेडिसिन. ठीक है. नाउ फोर्थ नोबेल प्राइज विनर फ्रॉम इंडिया वाज मदर टेरेसा. शी गॉट नोबेल प्राइज इन द फील्ड ऑफ पीस. In the year 1979 she got Nobel Prize because of her humanitarian work. Fifth Nobel Prize winner was Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. He got Nobel Prize in the field of physics in the year 1983 for his theoretical studies of the physical process of importance of the structure and the evolution of the stars. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar got Nobel Prize in the year 1983 in the field of physics. ठीक है. Now, sixth Nobel Prize winner from India was Amartya Sen. In which field Nobel Prize was given to Amartya Sen? In the field of economics. In which year? In the year 1998. For his contribution to welfare economics, he got the Nobel Prize. Now, in the year 2009, Nobel Prize from India was won by Venkatraman Ramakrishnan in the field of chemistry for his structure and for studying the structure as well as function of the ribosome. He got the Nobel Prize. In which year? In the year 2009. Now, in the year 2014, Nobel Prize winner from India was Kailash Satyarthi. He got Nobel Prize in the field of peace for his struggle against the suppression of children and young people, and as well as for the right of all the children for their education, to education. He got Nobel Prize. In the year 2019, Nobel Prize winner from India was Abhijit Banerjee. He got Nobel Prize in the field of economics. What contribution he did? For his experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. He got Nobel Prize in the year 2019. So these 9 are the Nobel Prize winners from India. And India must be proud of them. Yeah, definitely. Who were them? Let's recall Rabindranath Tagore in the field of literature in the year 1913, C.V. Raman in the field of physics in the year 1930, Hargobind Khurana in the field of medicine in the year 1968, Mother Teresa in the field of peace in the year 1979, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar in the field of physics in the year 1983, Amartya Sen in the field of economics in the year 1998, Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan in the field of chemistry in the year 2009, Kailash Satyarthi in the field of peace in the year 2014, Abhijit Banerjee in the field of economics in the year 2019. So people, this is very much important. You must know about winners of Nobel Prize from India. ठीक है? And do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.